Please contact your IT team to assist further, as the new TriSys Outlook add-in may require centralized deployment. Firstly, you must be running Microsoft Office 365. Previous Office versions are not compatible. Click Get Add-ins. If not visible, your version of Office is not compatible and you must discuss directly with your IT support team. Now, search for TriSys and then click the Add button. This will enable the TriSys add-in. A TriSys icon will become available in your Outlook ribbon bar. If not, reopen Outlook. Click the TriSys add-in icon once. Then click the pin icon to ensure the add-in remains visible at all times. If you already have a TriSys Cloud subscription, simply log in using your existing username and password. Once you have logged in, simply click any email message in any email folder. Your Outlook application is now fully integrated with your TriSys database. Enjoy the benefits of the new integration, compatible with the newest versions of TriSys. The exact same functionality is also available for your Outlook webmail, via web browser. Click the pin icon to ensure the TriSys add-in remains visible. The TriSys Office add-in streamlines your productivity to new levels.